Can you guess 50 body organs quiz?
Which organ pumps blood? A. Lung, B. Heart, C. Liver. Your answer? Correct. Heart, the non-stop pump. How many bones are in the adult human body? A. 300, B. 206, C. 150. Ellipsis. Think fast. Correct. 206. Which organ helps in breathing? A. Kidney, B. Brain, C. Lung. Correct. Lung. Inhale, exhale. What is the largest organ? A. Skin, B. Heart, C. Liver. Correct. Skin, your body's shield. Which part controls body activities? A. Brain, B. Bone, C. Stomach. Correct. Brain, the command center. Blood is pumped through A. Muscles, B. Veins and arteries, C. Nerves. Correct. Veins and arteries. Which organ filters blood? A. Eye, B. Kidney, C. Lung. Correct. Kidney. Which organ digests food? A. Brain, B. Stomach, C. Heart. Correct. Stomach. How many chambers in the human heart? A. 4, B. 6, C. Correct. 4. Which part helps you see? A. Nose, B. Eye, C. Ear. Correct. Eye. Which part helps you hear? A. Tongue, B. Ear, C. Eye. Correct. Ear. Which part tastes food? A. Skin, B. Nose, C. Tongue. Correct. Tongue. Which gas do humans breathe in? A. Nitrogen, B. Oxygen, C. Carbon dioxide. Correct. Oxygen. Red blood cells carry A. Water, B. Sugar, C. Oxygen. Oxygen. Which organ produces bile? A. Kidney, B. Liver, C. Heart. liver. Bones are connected by A. Skin, B. Ligaments, C. Muscles. Ligaments. Muscles help in A. Movement, B. Thinking, C. Digestion. Movement. Which is part of the nervous system? A. Liver, B. Brain, C. Lung. Brain. Normal human body temperature is about A. 20 degrees Celsius, B. 37 degrees Celsius, C. 50 degrees Celsius. Correct, 37 degrees Celsius. Teeth are used for A. Hearing, B. Chewing, C. Breathing. Chewing. Which organ stores urine? A. Lung, B. Bladder, C. Heart. Bladder. Which blood type is the universal donor? A. AB, BC, O. O. Which organ controls balance? A. Kidney, B. Cerebellum, C. Liver. Cerebellum. White blood cells help in A. Pumping blood, B. Fighting infection, C. Breathing. Fighting infection. The spine protects A. Heart, B. Brain, C. Spinal cord. Spinal cord. Which joint moves most freely? A. Skull, B. Shoulder, C. Teeth. Shoulder. Nails are made of A. Iron, B. Keratin, C. Calcium. Keratin. Which part smells? A. Nose, B. Ear, C. Eye. Nose. Part is located in the A. Arm, B. Chest, C. Leg. Chest. Food pipe is called A. Artery, B. Esophagus, C. TRA. Esophagus. Windpipe is called A. Nerve, B. Trachea, C. Vein. Trachea. Which organ stores bile? A. Kidney, B. Lung, C. Gallbladder. Gallbladder. Which vitamin is from sunlight? A. Vitamin C, B. Vitamin A, C. Vitamin D. Vitamin D. Which organ removes carbon dioxide? A. Heart, B. Brain, C. Lung. Lung. How many lungs do humans have? A. 3, B. 2, C. 1. Two. Which blood cells clot blood? A. RBC, B. Platelets, C. WBCH. Blood cells clot blood. Platelets. Which organ produces insulin? A. Liver, B. Kidney, C. Pancreas. Pancreas. Which system transports blood? A. Digestive system, B. Nervous system, C. Circulatory system. Circulatory system. Which system breaks food? A. Skeletal system, B. Digestive system, C. Respiratory system. Digestive system. Which part protects the brain? A. Skull, B. Rib, C. Spine. Skull. Ribs protect the A. Brain, B. Kidney, C. Lungs and heart. Lungs and heart. Which organ helps detoxify the body? A. Eye, B. Liver, C. Nose. Liver. Pulse is felt in A. Skin, B. Arteries, C. Bones. Arteries. Pulse is felt in A. Skin, B. Arteries, C. Bones. Larynx. Pulse is felt in A. Skin, B. Arteries, C. Bones. Femur. Smallest bone in the body? A. Rib. B. Femur. C. Stapes. Stapes. Which organ stores food before digestion? A. Lung. B. Heart. C. Stomach. Stomach. Which system controls hormones? A. Skeletal. B. Endocrine. C. Digestive. Endocrine. Which organ forms urine? A. Kidney. B. Liver. C. Heart. Kidney. Human body is mostly made of? A. Fat. B. Water. C. Bone. Final answer? Water.